Welcome to Sonosite MT, our compact solution. This intuitive all-touch clamshell system is designed for durability and is meant to withstand challenging environments, offering versatility on or off the stand, wherever you need it. In this video, we'll show you how to start using the system. To turn the system on, press the power button. Note the scan time remaining display found on the lid, the charging status bar found near the handle, and the output ports on the back of the system, including a built-in HDMI video out. For details on the different battery configurations for the Sonosite MT, refer to our how-to video for power and battery. Once the system boots up, there are several available modules to accommodate your workflow. You can start scanning, directly enter patient information, begin with an exam type, or access scan-along educational tutorials to learn a procedure. The system's all-touch panel controls allow for adjusting the image, including gain and depth controls, the ability to freeze and save images and clips, and image mode controls. The upper monitor and the lower panel both respond to touch. For example, you can press Color on the touch panel to activate Color Doppler, and then adjust the color box size and location on the touch monitor. The monitor touchscreen also displays your image and depth markers, calculations and measurements, patient and clinician information, as well as study details and system status icons. The system's all-touch panel can be used to navigate to different screens and features. You can enter patient information, choose a transducer and exam type, view reports and worksheets, navigate to the Learn feature to view scan-along tutorials, use the patient list to view previous studies, and access onboard help. From the touch panel, you can also freeze the system controls before cleaning by selecting Cleaning mode. System settings and other features are found under the System menu. The optional full-featured MT stand gives you everything you need at your fingertips, including storage, gel and wipe holders, and an option for a triple transducer connector, or TTC, which allows you to connect 3 transducers to switch between at any time. Additional modules available with the stand include the stand battery, printer, and I/O hub, with additional ports for image transfer. The touchscreen makes it simple to select your transducer and choose an exam type. You can easily change exam types on the same transducer using the Quick Change Exam Type feature. Sonosite MT supports connecting one transducer while installed on or off the stand. An optional triple transducer connect unit is available as an accessory to the stand. To connect a transducer to the TTC, insert the transducer connector into one of the transducer model ports at the bottom of the stand head. Make sure that the connector is firmly seated and then turn the latch handle clockwise. Press the latch handle up, securing the transducer connector to the transducer module. To connect a transducer to the system without a TTC while the system is on the stand, release the front of the system from the stand platform by pressing down on the front latch and tilting the system back. Maintain contact of the back of the system to the stand platform. Locate access to the system transducer connector on the right underside of the system. Reach between the system and the stand platform to connect the transducer and follow the same steps as before to secure it. To connect a transducer directly to the system without a stand, turn the system upside down and follow the same steps as before to secure the transducer. You can move the system by pushing or pulling the handle on the front or back. Adjust the height by stepping on the pedal and pulling up or pushing down on the platform. When taking the MT on the go off the stand, carry it using the sturdy system handle. Reference our how-to video for removing Sonosite MT from stand for detailed instructions on proper removal. Now it's time for you to explore on your own. Watch the how-to videos on the Sonosite Institute or refer to the System User Guide for more information.